What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on Black Widow. I'm gonna be switching out the head unit on it. Also, I'll be switching out the door speakers on it. For the head unit, I'm going with the double din with Pioneer, and for the door speakers, I went with DS18s. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with the stereo first, and then we'll jump to the speakers. So I already got the wiring harness already done, looking nice. Now for these Silverados, you need a couple of adapters. If you got an OnStar, you know, you have to buy different things. So I already got everything wired up, it's ready to go. Also, the Pioneer already got the brackets on, so it's also ready to go. So let me pull it off and I'll show you. And there it goes, guys. You just pull it, and now you gotta take off the this little lighter things off. And there it goes. It comes right off. Now you need to take off 6 8mm, and then all this comes off. Alright guys, and just like that, it comes right off. I gotta see if it's gonna have enough space to the back. If not, I'm gonna have to cut the back plastic off so it could be able to fit. So let me test fit it, if it's gonna fit with all the wiring on it, and then if not, we're gonna have to cut the back plastic that's over here. This one right here. Alright guys, so it looks like it fits without cutting, but if you can see, the brackets are on the wrong side and the stereo is upside down. So let me switch the brackets around, let me fix it, and then we'll try it again. So we did end up switching the brackets because it was upside down, so now it fits perfect. I'm gonna connect the wire harness, make sure everything works. And also guys, I did add so the steering wheel controllers still work, so I gotta program it so it could work. So let me connect it, turn it on, and let me see if I can program the steering wheel controls to work. Stereo's working, all the speakers, sound comes out of them, and also the steering wheel controls are programmed with the stereo, so you can see. So you see everything works. Now I'm gonna put everything back together and start on the door speakers. Now we're gonna start on the door speakers. So we have to take all the door panels off, but I'm gonna show you just one, take the rest off camera, and then I'll show you what all I need to do to make the 6.5 DS18s fit with the original brackets. Now you don't have to take it completely off. You can just turn it and leave it like that. And now the bracket is just with one little bolt and the speaker comes off. There it is, guys. Now the bracket and the speaker, it's all one piece. You see? So let me show you what I'm going to do to make the DS18s fit. So here's the original speaker, and like I said, it's in one piece. So this is what you have to do. You have to do that. You have to take this little foam. You see, it's all in one piece. So you have to cut all of these, and then you have to trim this to make it even, and you'll have your bracket. I already did one, and it'll look something like this. You know, that's what comes off, and then your 6.5 will fit. Here, let me show you. Brand new DS18. It'll fit like factory. Also, guys, I bought these connectors that connect to the original speaker harness. That way you won't have to cut no wires or anything. No Mickey Mouse on this truck. So we're doing everything legit and how it's supposed to go. So let me get to cutting. I have to do all 4 of these. Well, 3, because I already did one. And they all gonna look like this. Alright guys, so the brackets already cut and trimmed. I already got the speakers mounted and everything, even with the adapters for the speaker wires. But guys, when you're installing these to the bracket, be very careful. I actually damaged one. I punctured a hole through it. I was trying to, you know, bolt it up, screw it in, and it just slipped and it went right into the speaker. Luckily I had an extra one. It wasn't damaged, it was a little bent. That's why I didn't want to use it, but I think it'll actually work instead of this one. I'll try this one out, see how it sounds, see if it still works. But like I said, luckily I had an extra one and I used it. But be very, very careful, guys, when you put these on. So they're ready to go back into the truck. So let's get them mounted up to the doors. And then the driver's side, I had already put it on. As you can see, this is the final result. Looks like factory, but with the better speaker. All the speakers are installed. The stereo is installed. The door panels are put back together. Everything, so she's done. Alright guys, so there y'all have it. Stereo's installed, speakers installed. They're loud. I like it. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.